Good day guys, welcome. In this video we're discussing the HeyCash promo codes and easy rewards. So guys, you can use this website Deal Spotter to find some newsletter codes, discounts, promo codes as well that you can of course apply on the HeyCash. And of course also when you're firstly signing up for this service, as you can see they're gifting us a 3,000 points as a reward. So just press on claim reward after creating an account. So as you can see, you can also get rewarded 1,850 pounds for referral contest. You can start inviting your friends, for example. And of course, you can also use your referrals, as you can see in here. You just invite your friends. You need to copy code or use the link instead. And of course, you have offers. As you can see, I'm using a VPN, but that's okay. Let me turn it off. Okay, so we're using desktop save selection, and here's our best offers. Also, of course, you can go through the surveys and earn some cash. But if you want to use these, just go ahead. You can apply them here and get some free rewards. Guys, enjoy. Hopefully this video helps you to earn more cash and more rewards in HeyCash. Enjoy. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.